This is hands down the easiest and the laziest way to start drop shipping right now. There's no complex setups, no massive investments, and definitely no need to sacrifice all your free time to build a store or a brand. Now, if you've been waiting for a sign to finally dive in, this is it. So, as we all know, TikTok Shop has been blowing up for a decent while now. But the issue is most suppliers that you can automatically integrate your store with to drop ship directly to customers either have suspect products or long shipping times that don't really fit into TikTok shipping requirements consistently. Or you have a supplier like Amazon or eBay or any other similar supplier within the country. But the issue is then you need to automatically fulfill orders, input tracking numbers, and the list goes on, which can take a lot of time, especially as you scale. Now, hands down, Amazon is the best supplier to start dropshipping on TikTok Shop with, in my opinion. First and foremost, they have millions of products, so you're not limited to a specific niche. And this flexibility allows you to test a variety of products very quickly to see what works and what doesn't. They also give you access to ridiculously fast shipping, whether you have Prime or not, and you get quick delivery times, which is crucial for customer satisfaction. Plus, all Amazon's listings already come optimized with the titles, the descriptions, the images, which saves you a ton of time. And even better, many products have built-in review videos that you can repurpose for your own content, or even if you have AI repurpose it for you, that still works. More on this soon. And finally, you don't have to deal with unreliable suppliers or slow shipping like you would with platforms like AliExpress or others like it. Now, the big drawback with using Amazon until now was that everything had to be done manually, right? That meant that listing products, managing orders, tracking shipments, and keeping everything organized, tasks that took a lot of time had to be done manually by you. And I used to handle this all with the help of a virtual assistant who managed these listings, created the videos sometimes, processed all the orders, and then updated the spreadsheet so I could keep track of it as well. But now, AutoDS has completely changed the game with their latest update. They've now integrated directly with TikTok Shop so you can automate the entire process. And this includes the listing of the products, the managing of the orders, the inputting of the tracking numbers for shipments for all of those corresponding orders. Again, all done for you automatically without us having to lift a finger manually. So here's how you can set it up very quickly. Just head over to autods.com using that first link in the description. Just enter your email, your name, and your password to create your account. And then obviously create a TikTok shop if you don't already have one. You can do so by going to business.tiktokshop.com, click get started, register as a seller, and then upload the necessary documents like your passport or your business information. If you'd like a quick walkthrough video of exactly how to do this and apply and set it up, I've done one pretty in depth, about like 5 minutes, that will walk you through the entire process. That will be linked at the bottom of the description for your reference. Now, if your application does get rejected, just double check your details and resubmit it. It seems to be that persistence is the key here with TikTok Shop. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get approved. And when signing up to AutoDS in the very beginning, you're going to need to hit connect a Shopify store very briefly, but don't worry, you don't actually need a Shopify store to integrate with TikTok Shop or to sign up for AutoDS. It's just a necessary step to proceed into the actual website. So adjust your settings then. You can link Amazon as your supplier once you're in, and then install the AutoDS Chrome extension, and now you're ready to add products. So now you can easily import products with that Chrome extension from Amazon. Just click import from AutoDS on any Amazon product page once you have it installed, and it will instantly sync that product to your AutoDS account and then to your linked TikTok shop as well. Now, once everything is set up, AutoDS handles all the backend tasks like processing those orders, tracking those shipments, and managing inventory as well. You no longer need spreadsheets or manual tracking methods of any kind to operate this business effectively, and this frees up your time to focus on what really matters, which is creating content, going live, or working with affiliates to drive sales. Now, if you're planning to go live, that's great, right? And it does work very, very well, although it does take work and hours put in each time selling via live video, so it's definitely not the easiest or the laziest way. But getting affiliates and outsourcing your page's videos to get sales are without a doubt both easy and lazy. Now, I've done an in-depth video on exactly how you can get affiliates to sell your products for you relatively quickly, so if you'd like to go that route, you can check it out. It's linked at the bottom of the description as well. But if you like to create your videos to sell your products as well, then there's two methods that are the easiest and the laziest ways to achieve results very quickly without spending much time or much effort on your part. The first is to use an AI software like Creatify AI to make the videos for you. Now, you can take any product listing and turn it into product videos in seconds. The AI pulls listing pictures, the title, the description, and any videos that it finds on that listing, be it specific product videos on the actual listing or review videos from customers, and then uses all that information to put together a brand new script, a brand new voiceover, and a brand new product video for you in literal seconds. That's why Amazon listings with lots of review videos make for great supplier products. When you combine them with this software, it is stupidly easy to test a bunch of products quickly to find a winner. And the second is to outsource your video to a professional company like Viral Ecom Ads. They'll do it all for you and send you back that high quality product video that you can use without you lifting a finger to record the video, to edit it, or really do anything on your part at all. All they need is the URL of the product, and then they'll do all the rest. It is literally mind-blowing. So if you'd like to see tutorials of how to use either one of those, you know where they are. They are each linked at the bottom of the description for you. But now you're armed with access to high quality videos easily, and you don't need to spend any time creating them yourself or doing any of the fulfillment yourself, hence the laziest and the easiest way to drop ship, in my opinion, right now. With this setup, you can automate the entire dropshipping process and focus on growing your business. It is perfect for beginners or even experienced sellers who want to streamline their workflow. And AutoDS takes care of all that heavy lifting, allowing you to concentrate on generating sales and profit and focusing on what really matters at the end of the day, not the tedious work that you need to do, which you can outsource to these companies. And the cool thing about AutoDS is that their mission is literally to help automate dropshipping, hence the name AutoDS. They've finally made that possible on TikTok Shop specifically, but they also offer that same solution on other marketplaces like eBay, Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, WooCommerce, Shopify, and the list goes on and on. So regardless of where you sell or if you sell on a few of them, it might be beneficial to start integrating your stores with this tool and this website. That way you don't get bogged down spending all your time in those small tasks each day, which again, while necessary, don't really move the needle. I mean, why would you manually process orders or input tracking numbers or, manage and keep track of inventory on your supplier's website if you can outsource all that to a software that will do it automatically for you? It is a no-brainer, and this software never makes a mistake either. Unlike you or a virtual assistant, you are prone to errors as a human. In my opinion, again, it's a no-brainer. So if you're ready to try it out, it's that first link in the description to get started. And this approach has been really working well for me, and I hope it works well for you too.